Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video we will be unboxing the Zebronics ZEB HT106 6-in-1 grooming kit. On the front of the box we can see a bit of the trimmer itself through this clear plastic window in the packaging. On the left hand side of the box we have some of the salient features of this product, which includes IPX6 water resistant, 2 speed modes, skin friendly, easy to hold design, up to 90 minutes of cordless use, rounded tip blades, and built-in rechargeable battery. Over here we have an image of the trimmer along with its base and all of the attachments. On the right hand side of the box, the features continue, which include sleek design, LED indicator, 90 minutes of charge time, washable blades and attachments, corded and cordless use, 4 guide combs from 3 to 12 millimeters, and self-sharpening stainless steel blades. On the back of the box, we have some importing and manufacturing information right here along with the customer care details. Over here, we have some description about each of the attachments. The attachments include body hair trimmer, a full-size trimmer, micro shaver, a designer trimmer which is slightly smaller than the full-size trimmer, a nose and ear trimmer, and a precision trimmer which is extremely small and for small nooks and crannies. Over here we have the contents of the box, but we'll not be going through that since we will be unboxing the device anyways. There's nothing on the top, nor is there anything on the bottom, and that's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. On the inside, we get some literature in the form of the user manual. We recommend that you read through this thoroughly before you start using the device to acclimatize and familiarize yourself with all of the attachments and combs that have been provided. While on the subject of the attachments, let's go through them now. First up, we have the designer attachment, which is slightly smaller than the blade that is already on the trimmer. Next, we have the shaving attachment, which basically gives you a very close trim, almost akin to a shave. Right in the middle, we have the nose and ear hair trimmer. As you can see, it has a rotating blade inside it, which trims the hair. We also have a body hair trimmer, which is supposed to be used in the horizontal orientation, as opposed to the trimmer and the other attachments which are supposed to be used in a vertical orientation. And lastly, we have a minute detailing trimmer with a very small blade for basically to make small and intricate cuts of the beard. On the left hand side, we have the various combs. The first one is for the designer blade, and the remaining 4 are of different sizes for the main blade that is on the trimmer. The different sizes are 3 millimeters, 6 millimeters, 9 millimeters, and 12 millimeters. We also have a little bottle of oil to lubricate the blade, and for the trimmer's maintenance we have also been given a brush with bristles on both ends. Here we have the charging cable with a USB type A connector on one end and a double barrel type connector on the other. It's approximately 4 feet long. Lastly, we have a base in which you can keep all of these devices in a nice and secure and neat way. Lastly, we have the trimmer itself. First impressions when you pick the trimmer up are that it is quite well built and has quite a bit of heft to it. It's very comfortable to hold as well. In terms of colors, it has black, matte black, and silver colors theme going for it. The top has a glossy black finish, the bottom has a matte black finish, and on top we have a silver highlight right in the middle with a slight tinge of copper. It's very subtle, the copper coloration on the top. Where the silver is, there is also the power button, which when pressed once turns the blades on. When pressed again, It increases the speed of the motor, and when pressed one last time, it shuts the device off. Underneath that, we have the LED lights to indicate if it is powered on or not. And we have some Zebronics branding on the handle as well. On the bottom, we have the barrel type female interface. Up top, we have the blade, and to remove the blade, all it takes is a little bit of pressure and it pops out fairly easily. Inside, we can see how the motor works. Let's press the button and see it in action. You can also use the oil to lubricate this shaft right in the middle. So this was the unboxing of the Zebronics ZEB HT106 6-in-1 grooming kit. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.